teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell. Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 1, Week 4, Day 2 to 5. Physical properties of materials. Hard, shiny, stretchable. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to describe and identify objects that are hard, shiny, and stretchable. Lesson language practice. Unlock difficulties in understanding the following terms. Our first word. Hard. Hard. Let's spell it. H-A-R-D. Hard. Again. H-A-R-D. Let's spell it faster. H-A-R-D. Yes! Hard is something that is not easy to bend, press, or break. Hard objects feel firm when you touch them. Opposite of hard is soft. For comparison, hard objects or hard materials, they are firm and solid. Soft are easy to press, bend, or cut. Hard materials keeps its shape under pressure, while soft materials changes shape easily. Difficult to scratch or break for the hard materials, and easily scratched, squeezed, or torn for the soft materials. Hard flashcards. Let's see the hard flashcards. Hammer. Rock. Brick. Tree bark. Battery. Button. Concrete. Coconut. Coral. Block. Soft materials flashcards. Sponge. Blanket. Cotton. Stuffed toy. Science activity. Hard or soft? Tell whether the material or object is hard or soft. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready! Wooden spoon. Yes, it is hard. Pillow. Yes, it is soft. Handsaw. It is hard. Sweater. Yes, it is soft. Hand puppet. It's soft. Mortar and pestle. Yes, it is hard. Yarn. Yes, it is soft. Bricks. Yes, it is hard. Foam alphabet. alphabet letter. Yes, it is soft. Measuring tape. Yes, it is hard. Cement trowel. Yes, it is hard. Correct. Pot holder. Yes, it is soft. Lesson language practice. Our second word is shiny. Let's spell shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. Again, S-H-I-N-Y. Let's spell it faster. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. Yes, shiny is something that reflects light and looks bright or glossy. Shiny objects can sparkle or glow when light hits them. Opposite of shiny is dull. Shiny reflects light well, while dull does not reflect light much. Shiny are glossy, polished surface, while dull have matte or rough surface. Hey, shiny flashcards! Steel spoon. Glass marble. Jewelry. Aluminum foil. Sunglasses. Glass bottle. Diamond. Foil balloon. Mirror. Trophy. Doll. Materials, flashcards. Chalk. Envelope. Eraser. Cutting board. Clay pot. For our science activity, tell whether the materials found in the science laboratory are shiny or dull. Test tube rock. Yes, it is dull. Graduated cylinder. Yes, it is shiny. Plastic steering rod. It is dull. Funnel. Yes, it is dull. Stainless beaker. It is shiny. Steel lab tongue. It is shiny. Cork stopper. It is dull. Weighing pan. It is shiny. Test tube. It is shiny. Heat-resistant pad. Yes, it is dull. Laboratory apron. Yes, it is dull. Hourglass. Yes, it is shiny. Clay triangle. It is dull. Plastic spatula. It is dull. Correct. So, lesson language practice. Our third word is stretchable. Stretchable. Let's spell it. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-A-B-L-E. Stretchable. Again. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-A-B-L-E. Another one. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-A-B-L-E. Stretchable. Stretchable are materials that can be pulled to become longer without breaking. These materials return to their shape after stretching. Opposite of this is stiff. S-T-I-F-F. Stiff. Stretchable materials can be pulled or extended, while stiff cannot be stretched or pulled. Stretchable materials are flexible and elastic, while stiff materials are stiff and firm. Stretchable materials changes shape when pulled, but stiff materials keeps its shape. Stretchable flashcards. Ready? Okay. Rubber band. Balloon. Bungee cord. Socks. Gloves. Silicone ware. Elastic headband. Leggings. Garter. Spring. Science activity. Stretchable or stiff? Our task: tell whether the materials found in the kitchen are stretchable or stiff. Latex gloves. Yes, it is stretchable. Cutting board. Yes, it is stiff. Plastic cling wrap. Yes, it is stretchable. Wooden spoon. Yes, it is stiff. Metal whisk. Yes, it is stiff. Elastic jar band. It is stretchable. Rolling pin. It is stiff. Plastic bowl. Yes, it is stiff. Silicone muffin cups. Yes, Yes, it is stretchable. Good job! For our generalization, hard and soft. Hard materials do not change shape easily when pressed or touched. Soft materials can be pressed or bent easily. Shiny and dull materials reflect light and appear bright or glossy. Dull materials do not reflect much light and look plain or not glossy. Stretchable and stiff. Stretchable materials can be pulled to become longer without breaking. Stiff materials cannot be stretched or bent easily. They keep their shape. Importance of knowing physical properties of materials. 1. To choose the right material for a task. 2. To stay safe. 3. To take care of things properly, like cleaning shiny surfaces with a soft cloth. 4. To help solve problems or fix things. Evaluation. Science skill quiz. Get your notebooks and answer the quiz. True or false? Hard and soft, true or false? 1. Hard materials cannot be easily pressed or bent. 2. Soft materials feel rough and cannot be squished. 3. A sponge feels soft when pressed. 4. Glass is a soft material. 5. Metal is considered hard. 6. A hard object keeps its shape even when pressed. 7. Soft objects are easy to press or squeeze. 8. Toys made of rubber can be soft. 9. A blanket is a hard material. 10. All hard materials break easily when dropped. True or false? Shiny or dull? 11. Shiny materials reflect light and often look bright. 12. Paper is shiny. 13. Dull objects shine brightly under light. 14. Plastic bottles are never shiny. 15. Shiny objects often look smooth and clean. 16. Glass can be shiny if it's clean. 17. Dull objects do not reflect much light. 18. A chalkboard chalkboard is dull. 19. A shiny object always feels soft. 20. Plastic bottles are never shiny. 'True or false for stretchable and stiff? 21. Stiff materials can be bent or stretched easily. 22. A balloon can stretch when inflated. 23. Stretchable materials can be pulled to become longer. 24. A soft sock is stretchable. 25. Stretchable objects go back to their shape after pulling. 26. A wooden ruler is stretchable. 27. Stiff materials stay in their shape and are hard to bend. 28. A rubber band is stretchable. 29. All stretchable objects are hard. 30. A block of wood is stiff. 'Okay, let's go for the answers. Are you ready? Okay, let's see the answers. 1. Hard materials cannot be easily pressed or bent. True. 2. Soft materials feel rough and cannot be squished. False. 3. A sponge feels soft when pressed. True. 4. Glass is a soft material. False. 5. Metal is considered hard. True. 6. A hard object keeps its shape even when pressed. True. Soft objects are easy to press or squeeze. True. 8. Toys made of rubber can be soft. True. 9. A blanket is a hard material. False. 10. All hard materials break easily when dropped. False. True or false for shiny and dull? Shiny materials reflect light and often look bright. True. 12. Paper is shiny. False. 13. Dull objects shine brightly under light. False. 14. Plastic bottles are never shiny. False. Shiny objects often look smooth and clean. True. 16. Glass can be shiny if it's clean. True. 17. Dull objects do not reflect much light. True. 18. A chalkboard is dull. True. 19. A shiny object always feels soft. False. 20. Plastic bottles are never shiny. False. Answer for stretchable and stiff. True or false? 21. Stiff materials can be bent or stretched easily. False. 22. A balloon can stretch when inflated. True. 23. Stretchable materials can be pulled to become longer. True. 24. A soft sock is stretchable. True. 25. Stretchable objects go back to their shape after pulling. True. 26. A wooden ruler is stretchable. False. 27. Stiff materials stay in their shape and are hard to bend. True. 28. A rubber band is stretchable. True. 29. All stretchable objects are hard. False. 30. A block of wood is stiff. True. Good job, kids! Great job! Teacher's bell. We're learning. Rings a bell.